Yes, hello, doctor. This is Richard Ogwal. I'm here with my members, Babire Sandra Onopio Oscar. Today, I'm here to present our product, that is a DiabetiRisk AI, uh, which is a symptom-based diabetes risk prediction system built with machine learning. And our goal is to provide a fast, accessible, and no-cost screening for people who may not have access to blood tests or clinic. Um, Therefore, let me start with the problem statement. Uh, According to the International Database, in this context, tailoring to the low resource region, of which Uganda is one of them, where we have seen a scenario where many people, uh, in a medical perspective, patients go undiagnosed with diabetes, and many of these people only discover they have diabetes after serious complication, maybe like a vision loss, kidney damage, or even amputation. So this is especially true in rural areas, communities, and where blood tests and labs are not easily available. So existing screening methods require trained staff, equipment, and time, which means many people fall through the crack. So this gap we want to fill using um, this business model, which uses AI model. Um, Let me go to the solution that we are trying to put in place to combat this. So our solution is this model, which is diabetes risk AI, where um, it answers a symptom question from the patient side. That is, if the patient has a symptom or experiencing available symptom of diabetes, we enter into the system, and the system process it, analyze, and give us uh, the the critical condition of that patient based on the percentage value of um, the symptom. For example, the entire process takes less than 2 seconds, where no blood is needed, no lab, no waiting, and a basic version is completely free. Yeah, so it's like a MVP, which is already available as a solution of this. Um, then coming now to the technological aspect of it and the architecture. Um, Let me show you how it actually works. The core stack in this project, the model, this business AI model, it uses Python and sklearn that that is used to build the prediction models, and also that is now the Gradio, which is for making the interactive UI for medical personnel. And also now coming to now the architecture, where it starts with users input, goes to users input, where users like medical doctor enter the symptom the patient is having into the system. Then now feature processing, that is now this AI model, which is now a diabetes AI, start now processing the input which it has taken in. Then the model analyze, then now make risk scores and give us now the recommendation. So the purpose of this technology is to enable fast and accessible diabetes risk screening without blood or lab tests. Then to turn symptom inputs into actionable L insights, so that the immediate action can be taken place. Then also support early detection in low resource environment where buying those medical equipment they are very hard. So you find like this kind of business model, they are cost effective to help in combating the fight against diabetes. Then provide scalability. So and also coming now to business model, the individual uh, the target users are individual, like people who can easily get into the smartphone and and type in the sign that they're experiencing, and then the system now give them the feedback and the recommendation. Then we choose to integrate in our system that is now a software for medical um, facilities, so that we this model we can integrate it and it becomes like a AI service within the software. So then now we have revenue streaming, like people will be paid per subscription. Then free version we shall put in, where uh, low income earners can access with less features, but a vital one. Um, then licensing, that is now clinics can pay for the version according to the services they want, because we shall finally make it into a very huge system where it give a very big insight about diabetes. Then potential partners at over time, we would love to involve Minister of Health in the engagement, so that we can see how to integrate this system with our public medical system. That is software is running this public hospital. Then future plan, we plan to add more risk factors like MBI, age, family, and many others categories, so that we can really come up with a lot of insight. Then deployment on WhatsApp, we want it like to become like this meta AI over time, where users can really uh, interact with at any time with more ease. Then clinical validation study, this one also we have to incorporate. That's what we opt for. Then membership, we would love to encourage teaching, training people, and also some other people who would want to give us some other ideas, so that we further this analysis and the file. Then pilot users, coming to system demonstration, the system works in a way where users enters from the screenshot. We can see like a patient symptom. We enter the symptom. When the patient has um, a symptom like this pruriria, the doctor click yes. Then if no, then the doctor clicks no. Actually, the doctor selects available symptom a patient is experiencing physically, then input it to the system. Then I'll click predict. Then now the prediction will come like this prediction result we have here. We would love to thank you, doctor, for listening to our pilot study, and also this some other uh, research that we are trying to put in, so that we really uh, make to the best in this um, system. Yes, thank you so much.